Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to add phone number in Twitter. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Twitter application, then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Twitter login ID and password. At the homepage of your Twitter account, you need to tap on the profile icon on top left of your screen. Now here you need to tap on settings and privacy. Under settings, you can see the option of your account and very first you tap on it. Now here you need to tap on account information. Inside account information there you can see the option of phone, you tap on it. Before adding phone number you need to provide your Twitter account password first, so go for it. After you are done you tap on next. Now here first of all you need to go in for selecting your country. Now you go in for providing your number. Tap on next. Here you need to verify your phone number. For that you need to provide the verification code sent by the Twitter on your phone number. So tap on OK. Now here I have already received a code from the Twitter. Now go in for providing the code. Tap on verify. And with that, my phone number has been added to my Twitter account. This is how you can add a phone number in your Twitter account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to add phone number in Twitter. Thank you.